How's it going? Today I want to talk about this barbecue grill. Now this is not your typical barbecue grill because this thing is completely portable. It's basically just the top half of a grill, meaning you can take it when you go camping, if you're going out on the boat. It has this hookup off to the side so you can put the little travel propane tanks, or you could put the big tank down below. This cart I had laying around, and I was able to set up this so I can grill outdoors on the patio, or if I want to go ahead and quickly move it out of the way, I don't have to worry about having a massive grill that's super heavy to move. This thing, it's easily portable. You could pick this up. This has 3 burners here, and it also comes with a heavy-duty griddle. So the griddle is right here. You basically would just put this on top of the grate that we have here. However, since I'm going to be cooking a steak, I want to use the grates because the grate's a little bit better on steaks, but the griddle is really good for, you know, different types of meat like fajita. Maybe you're doing eggs, maybe you're doing, you know, any sort of thing that you need an actual surface, maybe pancakes, something along those lines. Also comes with this nice tarp, so it's super handy. It was very easy to set up and assemble. You basically had to screw in these 2 feet at the bottom, and the screw was in the place to where they already needed to go. So you just unscrew the screw, put the legs on, screw them in, and then you just hook up the connectors for the actual propane. This has the grate right here, and then you have your 3 burners, and your 3 burners are going to be 1, 2, 3. You also have the little tray at the bottom, so you want to make sure you get your grease tray. It's going to be right here. You can see it's got a nice wall right here so that the grease and all the drippings will stay right here in place. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back. Very easy, very portable, super slick look to it with the stainless steel. In order to start, it's basically all built into the actual knobs, and you just kind of turn it until it starts clicking, and then you know you're about to get the flame going. So I got the 1 burner up. I'm not even going to worry about the other ones because, you know, I'm going to cook my steak right here. I don't have like a full you know, meal to cook with multiple people, but if you did want to throw up some burgers, you could probably fit anywhere from, like, I don't know, 12 to 16 burgers, just depends on the size of your patties right here. Now it's just the 1 level, the 1 tray, but it's plenty big enough for, you know, a family to eat. This is going to be perfect for travel, like I said before. We got the temperature right on front here, so we're going to go ahead and just give it a minute, you know, heat up. I'm going to turn it up a little bit, and whenever it is piping hot, I'm going to throw that steak on there, and we're really going to see that thing sizzle. All right, so it's been a few minutes. I've been cooking this steak up. This is super convenient. It smells so good. I'm excited to try the steak out. I'm honestly excited just to take this out camping with me. I mean, whether I'm going to a place where it's got like the little picnic table and the little fire pit, I don't have to worry about the fire pit anymore. I can just bring this ready to go grill. It's easy to load in the car. It's a small format. You just got to get the propane with you, fire it up, and you're ready to go.